In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open your document in Word for the web and enable dark mode to make your viewing experience easier on the eyes. Whether you're working late at night or simply prefer a darker interface, this feature can help reduce eye strain and create a more comfortable working environment. Let's start by opening a document in Word for the web. Simply navigate to your web browser and log in to your OneDrive or Office account where your documents are stored. Once you're in, locate the document you want to work on and click to open it. This will automatically load it into Word for the web. It's a seamless transition that allows you to easily switch between your on-screen tasks without missing a beat. Now that you have your document open, let's move on to adjusting the view to dark mode, which is particularly useful if you find that a bright screen can be too harsh on your eyes. First, let's direct our attention to the top of the screen, where you'll see the ribbon, the toolbar that runs along the top of the Word interface. You'll want to find the View tab within this ribbon. If you're unsure where it is, just scan across the tabs, starting from the left, where you'll see options like Home, Insert, and Layout, until you reach View. Once you've located the View tab, click on it, and a new set of options will become available along the ribbon. These functions pertain to how you can alter your viewing experience of the document. Now, direct your focus to the right side of this tab. Here, you'll notice the dark mode toggle. Clicking on this toggle will immediately switch the document's background from light to dark. This change is especially useful for those evening work sessions, or if you generally prefer working with muted colors, as it can be more restful for your eyes. It's worth noting that depending on your current system settings, Word for the web might automatically use dark mode. Many modern browsers and operating systems offer a preference for a dark theme, and Word for the web is often smart enough to synchronize with your existing settings. So if your browser or computer is already set to dark mode, you may find Word for the web automatically displaying your documents in this mode without any additional adjustments needed. This is a handy feature that ensures consistency in your user experience across different applications and devices. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to enable dark mode in Word for the web. With this setup, you can enjoy a more comfortable reading and editing experience anytime, day or night. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in optimizing your Word for the web experience.